Today we're going to be working on writing number sentences to represent word problems, and then we're going to use those number sentences to answer the question in the word problem. Let me show you first of all some examples of some number sentences. Basically, number sentences are when you take a word problem and then you write an addition sentence or a subtraction sentence or multiplication or division. It could be an inequality. A number sentence is composed of numbers and then also an operation. It might have an equal sign as well. So we're going to be focused on being able to write the number sentence and then use it to come up with the answer. The directions say that you will receive full credit if you have written a correct number sentence and the correct answer is recorded. There's going to be multiple forms that are acceptable for the number sentence because there's a lot of different ways that you can write a number sentence for a problem. Let's take a look at the first example. If you ever forget what you're doing, you can always move these question details back upwards, or, for the time being, we're going to leave them down at the bottom so that we can see the problem better. Now I'm going to start reading the problem. Ignore the task card number. There were about 40 task cards, and we're not going to be completing them all today. I just chose some of them for us to work on today. All right, so integers task card number 1. An elevator starts on the ground floor. So I'm going to start with just that part. Starts on the ground floor. So that's going to be at 0. And then I'm going to change colors. It goes up 7 floors. So picture the elevator moving upwards 7 floors. Upwards movement, that would be a positive 7 in my number sentence. And then I'm going to switch colors again. And then down 9 floors. So picture it moving down 9 floors. So I'm going to write this as subtracting 9. What floor is it on? So in this problem, we have an elevator, and the elevator is going up floors, and then it goes down floors, and then we need to come up with what floor it is currently on. So now we're going to go ahead and complete the work. 0 plus 7 gives us 7. And then I bring down this minus 9 part of the number sentence. Now, 7 minus 9, I'm going to change to addition. So I'm going to grab a different color. 7 minus 9 is the same as 7 plus a negative 9. And now that it's an addition problem, I can use my addition rules. Signs are different, we subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2, and I have more negatives than positives. So let's think about what actually happened. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a vertical number line to help us with this. And I'm going to try to evenly space some tally marks that we can use to think about how this elevator moved upwards and downwards. All right, hopefully that's enough. Now I'm going to start marking it, so I'll go back to the scribble. And I started at 0, and then the elevator went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors. So picture that happening, riding the elevator upwards 7 floors. And then after that, what happened is the elevator then went back downwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we end up at 2 floors below the ground floor. So it's like you're in the basement. So our answer is -2. Now we could have changed this sentence slightly. Maybe instead you wanted to write 0 plus 7 plus a -9. So this also would be an acceptable answer. I mean, technically 0 plus 7 is the same as 0 minus a -7. So you could have written your number sentence 0 minus a -7 plus a -9. There's a lot of different number sentences that would work for this task card. So just keep in mind that, not everyone's is going to be the same, but I will be able to check it and see if what you wrote down works for this word problem.